बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is DIY craft videos signing in, and how are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine, and I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am showing you a most beautiful, very creative, super stunning and very interesting DIY upcycling craft ideas for you guys. This is outstanding and very amazing upcycling craft ideas for beginners. This is very cheap craft for you all guys, and I hope so guys you like this video. So viewers, if you like this video, then hit the like button and share this video with your friends and with your family members. And guys, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates, for more videos. This is very easy and very amazing upcycling craft ideas where you guys make these things which you can see on your screens. So this is very easy and very different and very classy and very amazing craft for you guys to store your different kind of things, and also unique. So guys, I personally appreciate and I personally enjoyed this craft work. This is pin holder which is very useful for hijabi girls, and these are the keychains for your keys, and this is very amazing and very beautiful and very classy wall hanging things to decorate your homes, and also save your things on this, and you can make these things at your home very easily. And you also guys watch DIY tutorials on YouTube about this craft work, then you make these craft things at home very easily. So guys, thank you so much for appreciating me and for supporting my channel. And if you want different kind of videos about craft work, then you'll leave the comment below in the comment section, and I will upload those videos on my channel, inshallah. So guys, always keep supporting my channel, always keep watching my videos. These are very beautiful, these are very amazing and very stunning ideas for you guys. And I am thankful to you all guys for your support, for your appreciation. So guys, keep follow my channel, keep subscribing my channel. Take care, be happy. Allah Hafiz guys.